HR induction is pivotal for successful onboarding of new employees and their integration into the organization. SlideTeam brings you a premium HR induction presentation that welcomes new employees into the company's fold. Download this ready-to-use PowerPoint template to unlock onboard employees' potential. Ignite a spark of enthusiasm with your warm welcome as an organization. To begin with, share your company profile, its mission and vision, immersing newcomers in the stories that have shaped your company's identity. Highlight organizational growth, location, finances, and more to create a positive first impression. Use this actionable PowerPoint slide to cover essential policies and procedures related to attendance, leaves, holidays, office timings, and more. Grab this content-ready HR induction PPT slide for perfect collaboration and establishing a spirit of camaraderie with your employees. Highlight how you value your employee contributions and think of their well-being by walking them through a section on compensation and benefits. You can incorporate this professional and appealing template to introduce your new employees with their team members, present required HR documents, training schedule, and emergency procedures. So welcome new employees into your organization with ease and equip them with the knowledge necessary to flourish.